How to hard reset Turtle Beach Stealth 600 on your Xbox on your PS4 or PS5. For this, a hard reset will clear temporary settings, can fix bugs, but it won't erase firmware or permanently change your device. Step 1 is simply power off the headset. Hold the power button until the headset fully turns off. Then hold the power button plus Bluetooth button together. Press and hold the power and Bluetooth button together at the same time for about 20 seconds. You might see the LED flash or blink rapidly or turn off. This indicates a reset attempt. Step 3 is release the button. After 20 seconds, release the both buttons from there. Wait for a few seconds, then power the headset back on normally. After the reset, can reconnect to your console and then repair to console. For Xbox, press the pairing button on the headset until the LED blinks fast. Now press the pairing button on your Xbox, wait until they sync, and for PS4 or PS5, plug in the USB transmitter. Power on the headset and it should auto connect. If not, repair using the Turtle Beach Audio Hub for PC. Thank you so much for watching this video.